Hello there and welcome back to my tutorial. So today we will learn how to create user notification. So this is what we will be creating. I hit notify and after 3 seconds I get notification. So here is the notification, and if I hit notify and go to home, I still get the notification. So that's something amazing. Even if you turn off the application from multitasking, you will still get the notification. I get the notification after 3 seconds. You can set your own custom time interval. So we will be just creating a function, so you can just mess around with the time intervals. Another thing is, make sure you give your project name something different from user notification. My project name is user notification test, because if you give it name user notification, it will clash with the module. Okay, so first of all, on the main.storyboard we will throw in a button, and I will just add some constraints. So I will say 10 from top, 10 from left, 10 from right, and a fixed height of 100. And I will increase the text size to 30 and text color to white. I like white. And go down and select background and give it a color of gray, and we will say notify, and connect this to our view controller. So control drag from here and say notify test, and this will be of type action and of type UI button. And so we are done with the storyboard part. So let's hop over to our view controller, get rid of this did receive memory warning. We never use that. So first of all, we need to import user notification. And if you remember, while using applications, when you first download some app, you need to give permission to the application to send you notification or use your camera or use your contacts or anything, right? So first we need to ask for permission. So we will say user notification. We will say un user notification center dot current dot request authorization, and this one. So options, we will pass in an array of dot alert. We need to send alert dot badge and dot sound. So it's an enum, so we can send multiple parameters here. And tab completion handler will be success, error will be error, and we will say if error is not equal to nil, we will print authorization unsuccessful, else we will print authorization successful. And so we are done with this part. So let's test it out on iPhone X, and let's wait. New application is installing, and as soon as the app loads, we get the permission. So I will just say allow, and we will get authorization successful. One thing here to note is that once I give the permission, the only way I can take so means that every time I load the app, I don't need to ask for permission. It will be stored in the database, okay, on the iPhone. So if you wish to turn off the notifications, you go to settings, under notification, you just turn off under your specific app name, okay. So now on, we will not be getting that message again. So let's work on our notification. So here is our notify press button. First we need to create a function. I'll just add some space here. So the code is in center. So function, and we will say timed notifications, and we will say in seconds, and this will be of type time interval. And we need a completion handler, so completion, and this will be of type like success. It will be of type function, so this will be boolean, and cool. So that's it. It will show us some error, so just click this and hit fix. So first, so we need to create a request. So request equal to un, and we need un notification request and open brackets, and with this, so identifier will be custom notification. And for content, we need to create a content and a trigger as well. So first, let's create a trigger. Let trigger equal to it's un time interval notification trigger, open brackets, and we need this one. So time interval, just pass in seconds. This is the parameter from here, and repeats will be false. We don't want it to repeat. If you want it to repeat, you can turn it to true if you want like something, your application to notify daily or something, okay? But for now I don't need it repeating. So let's create a content. So content equal to un notification center. We need un mutable, I guess. Un mutable notification content. Okay, mutable means changeable, something is changeable, and immutable means something is not changeable. Constants are immutable and variables are mutable. That's some theory. So content dot title, here we will pass in our title. So let's say breaking news, and content dot subtitle net neutrality is, I don't know, is not working. I don't know. Anyways, why not? So, and we can add content dot body, and here we can have a big string. So I'll just add anything over here, doesn't matter. I'll just take this quotes out, and that's it. Let's add some spaces. Okay, and we just need to pass in over our content here, and we'll pass in a trigger over here. And we now need to add this whole notification to our current notification. Unprintable ASCII character found in source. Which part? I don't know what's this talking about. Let's build it. Okay, content.subtitle is not working. I guess it's basically this part. So what if I just comment this out and try to build the application? Okay, something is wrong here. So I guess, I don't know, content.subtitles should work. Let's do it again. Let's try doing it again. So subtitle will be yo, what's up, I am subtitle, and let's do this again. This will be blah 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 blah, and this time it should work. Yes. So let's build it again, and it's working. So we need to add this notification to our current notification center. So we will say un notification center, un user notification center dot current dot add request. Okay, and here we will pass in a request. So request, and there is a completion handler, just enter, and for error we will say error. So if error is not equal to null, then we will say completion, and this is our completion handler, and we will pass in false here. Else if completion will be true, and now we will get some error. This is something which just came with Swift 4. So we when we use closure, we need to use @escaping in front of it, in front of this function parameter type. Okay, so that's something. So let's run the application and see how it works. So, and guys, shortcut for going to home while in simulator is Command Shift H. So notify and Command Shift H, and we should get the notification. we forgot to call it under notify pressed, so let's do it now. So we will say timed notification, and in seconds will be 3, and completion will be success. And if success, then we will just we need one more rest, and we will just print successfully notified. Let's skip the else part and let's run. So it's installing. So if I hit notify and command shift H, we get the console output already, but it then shows the breaking news thing. So once again open the application and hit notify. So it says successfully notified, but we don't get the notification. Okay, so the problem is you are in the application. If you still want the user to see your notification while the user is in the application, you need to do one more part. So under app delegate, again import user notification, import user notification, and after everything gets completed, come here on 50th line and say extension, and we will create user notification extension of app delegate. So app delegate, and we will say un user notification center delegate, and there is one user notification centers delegate method which is will present, and we will be using this one. And here we will say completion handler and open close brackets and just hit dot, you will get the options. We will use dot alert. Okay, and one more thing, we need to assign the delegate of our current user notification center. So un user notification center dot current dot delegate is equal to self, and let's run the application for one last time, and we should be getting the notification while in the application as well. So notify, successfully notified, and we get the notification in the application as well. And so let's get rid of this and let's do it again. Notify, command shift H, and we still get the notification. Let's try closing the application in our multitask tab. So I'll just increase the seconds to 10 and run the application once again. So notify, I'll just pull it over here, click, cancel, and so we are in the screen, and let's see, we still get the notification. So that's how you create user notification. In future video I will show you how to add images just to your notification. So if you have any comments, post them in comments. If you have any any issues or problems or any questions, post them in comments. If you like my videos, thumbs up, and please subscribe for future videos.